Her mother hot?
She'd probably say yes more likely if you do it in person.
Should I ask online?
Oh, yeah, like one or the other, not both.
I don't know. I can make my own decisions. When it comes to these things, I get shy in person.
Okay, so do it online. Or call her.
But online is not as official. Yeah, maybe. When she's done painting her room.
Yeah, she said she'd be back in a bit.
I've been on for 5 hours today. Damn, that's a record for me. And she's back.
She's back. Ask now.
Okay.
Nervous. Okay, and show me the combo.
What'd you sned her? Nothing, Jola. Why?
I just said hey.
You said hey and she came to see.
Yeah.
I'll later. When she has time. When she leaves, we both say it later.
Oh my God, you got that all over. Ew, wipe it off. Ew, wipe it off. It's all over my face. It's all over my face.
Chola, you don't know nothing.
Finish the conversation. Ew, gross. I got it in my mouth.
But it's like in my eye.
It was like a nice little mist. It was like a sauna.